Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated multiple connectivity projects worth 15,400 crore rupees in Kolkata, including India's first underwater networking service. The National Investigation Agency today conducted raids at multiple locations in 7 states as part of its investigations in the Bengaluru Lashkar-e-Taiba prison radicalization case. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today embarked at sea to witness the Indian Navy's ability to conduct twin carrier operations. The Sports Ministry has revoked the suspension of the Paralympic Committee of India with immediate effect. In Women's Premier League cricket match, Gujarat Giants will take on Royal Challengers Bangalore at Arun Jaitley Stadium, New Delhi today. The match will start at 7:30